Have you heard about the ScrapSmarter Experience? It is the online scrapbooking event that you won't want to miss. August 21st to 23rd, we have 10 instructors coming to teach us the most amazing classes. We have Vicki Boutin, Layle Koncar, Catherine Pooler, Victoria Marie, Janet from RTS, Tazhiana Gordon, Khristina Sorge, Tracy Reed, Sara Scraps and Shimelle. And to top that all off, as if that wasn't amazing enough, our keynote speaker is none other than Stacy Julian. So it's going to be an amazing event. Don't miss out. Go to scraphappy.org/scrapsmarter to get signed up. There's a discount code, so don't miss that too. You can save $20 with the code SMART20. Fill it out before you put in your info. I'm Alice Bull from scraphappy.org, the online scrapbooking membership group. We're hosting this event August 21st to 23rd. But the great thing is, you don't even have to be there. Everything will be available on replay. Register now for the ScrapSmarter Experience so we can all scrap smarter.